Hello again and welcome to another Handy Dan video. Today we're going to be modeling up a wall-mounted business card holder. To start out here in SolidWorks with a simple sketch. We'll make these two here equal length. We'll dimension this about 0.75. and 2 inches here, and we're going to offset not there. We're going to offset about 50 thousandths and reverse that, and we're going to sketch the ends closed. We're going to sketch the side panel. We're going to make these two collinear, and we'll make these collinear also. I don't really like the look of that. Take a line from this top corner down. And then we'll trim off the corners. That looks a little cleaner. Now we're going to extrude. We're going to go mid-plane to go both directions. We'll do 3.8 inches. Then we're going to use the same sketch. We're going to extrude this side panel. Catch that little line back there. We're going to offset that from this surface. And then we'll go 50 thou on that also. And we're going to do the same thing, use the same sketch and do the other side, offset that surface. And select the sketch and change the direction of that one. There we go. All done. Now we're going to put a hole. We can put a tack through it. Crazy pop-ups. We're just going to do a simple hole. I got a screw clearance for a number 10 screw ought to do it. We're just going to go through the next surface and make that normal. Here we're going to sketch it right vertical on the ordinate. Make that vertical. Just dimension it down 0.2 inches. Okay, there we go. I don't really like the look of that angle. It's just too straight. We can edit that sketch. And we'll change that. We'll just delete this line. We'll sketch in a new profile. And give that a dimension. And 0.65 looks good. And give it a little fillet. 100 thou looks fine. We'll try that. Okay. Let's rebuild that and see if it looks any better. Yeah, it looks a little better. Okay, we're going to save that. Save it as wall mount card holder. There we go. Save that, and then we're also going to save it as an STL for the 3D printer. Okay, hit OK. And we go to Cura. We open that STL. Okay, we got to rotate that, stand it up. And then I like to rotate it lengthwise. My printer is a little bit quieter in the X direction. Or I guess that's the Y direction. And we're going to give it a little fuzzy skin. I know it's down here at the bottom. Somewhere in here. Nope, not that one. Down here. There it is. I'm going to change that 0.3. We're going to try 0.15. Just give it a little bit of fuzziness. Okay, we'll prepare that. So we have 6 minutes of CAD and 1 hour and 54 minutes to print. Interesting. Let's take a look here. I'll just check the layers. Okay, that all looks like it's going to be fine. Zoom in on this fuzzy skin. That's kind of interesting, isn't that? There's the fuzzy skin. That's kind of neat. And here's the finished product. Yes, of course, you could buy that, but what's the fun in this? Got your card right there. Thank you.